how to increase RAM on your PC by increasing your virtual memory. So in order to increase your virtual memory in your PC, first of all, you can just go to settings and under the system settings section, scroll down and go to about and just check your installed RAM. Don't focus on 15.7 but focus on 16 GB. If you have 8 GB, if you have 32 GB, then it's fine as well. I have 16 GB on my PC. So I'll just focus on 16, right? Make sure that you remember the GB of your installed RAM, right? I have 16 here. You might have 8, 32, 12, 6, and after that what you want to do is click on Windows plus R and inside the run make sure that you type sysdm.cpl. Click on OK and after this page opens up, then go to advanced, go to performance, click on settings. After that click on advanced again and under the virtual memory section right here click on change and after that make sure that you have this option unchecked, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Make sure that you have this option unchecked, right? So click on this option and after this is unchecked, click on custom size and after these options are enabled, then go to your search bar again and search for calculator. And inside calculator, remember the installed RAM in your computer, write the installed RAM. So I have 16 GB. What I will do is write 16 into 1024. Now if you have 8 GB or 32 GB, then make sure that you list 8 or 32 instead of 16 here. And after that, how much ever you have the value here, multiply it with 1.5 and this right here is the initial size that you want to enter right here, 24576. Make sure that you enter 24576 right here in initial size. If you have 8 GB, then your value must be 12288 if you have entered 8 right here. And for the maximum size, what you want to do is mention the size of the installed RAM. I have 16, as I told before. If you have 8 GB, then mention 8 into 1024 into 3. Make sure that you do this. Click on is equals to, and I got the value of 49152. What I will do is I will list the 49152 inside maximum size right here, right? If you have 8 GB of installed RAM, then the value should be 24576 right here in maximum size. And just click on set right here and click on OK, which will increase your virtual RAM, which will improve your gaming experience. Now this might improve your gaming experience, but also increases the page file, which might also make a computer slower. So just be aware and do what's best for your PC, right? So that's it. That's how you increase RAM on your PC by increasing your virtual memory. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.